that I could be one of the girls that has it together always. I wish I